Hello. It's evening and guess where I am? I'm actually looking for the trail to hike tomorrow morning together with Luca. Abang is the second highest volcano, which is not active, here in Bali, and it's 2,150 meters above the sea level. I'm absolutely amazed about this view. Just for information, so this side is abandoned, but if you go from another side, from Kintamani side, there's a local Banjar fee. They're charging you 150,000 rupiah for the entrance to territory. If you want to make just only simply photos, no problem, it's actually only 25,000. But if you want to hike, if you want to do motocross, I don't know, it's not really motocross, but like enduro or any other activities in that park, which is called park, so then 150,000. Beautiful flight. I got a buddy who's saying something, I have no idea. I think some mental disorder. We got the chat. I was talking English, he was talking, I don't know, his own language. Yeah, so there are two summits. One is lower summit and another one is higher summit. And so we will force the highest one, where usually people come from another side. It's about 4 kilometers. The life will make its own corrections, as always, so we'll see. We are singing song together. Mana mana pa pa da da da. Mana mana. Mana mana. Oh yeah. Mana mana. Okay, see you tomorrow. All right, there we go again. I'm back to the same place. Just now it's 1 a.m. and we are ready to go. Someone put the rope here. That's great. Okay. And so, Luca, congratulations to me and you.
Yes.
So we did it. It took us 3 hours and 15 minutes. 20 something. So it was a good pace. We didn't make a big breaks, but in some points it was tough.
Yeah.
In some points it was really dangerous because it's really slippery, narrow edge. If you put the feet on the wrong place, you're losing it. It's lost. So we are waiting now for the sunrise, and while waiting for the sunrise we'll make some hot water because I forgot coffee. We'll make some noodles. I took noodles as well, so I'm well prepared. All right guys, let's wait for the sunrise. So there is also temple here. Look at that. Some offerings. We will leave some offerings as well. No rubbish here, they say. That's what they have it. That's how noisy it is from the wind. Try here to find the place. The thing is, we came really early and we have to wait another more than an hour for the sunrise. It's a bit cold here, maybe around 15 degrees, right? It's not that cold as on Abank. Heating water. I forgot the coffee. Sorry, everyone, including me. I was really like, I was so prepared. I took again so many liters of water to prepare coffee and everything, but Luca stopped me in the middle of the way and he said, Martin, I forgot to fill the petrol. But it was enough to get up. Definitely we will get down because it's all the way down. There is no engine needed at all. The first impressions about the hike is super positive, right? But I can just simply imagine how it will look like when the sun will rise up. It will be simply incredible. Yeah, I made some noodles. Yeah, that will be really hard to eat with a spoon. But that's the only thing what we have. How is it? Okay?
Spicy, but...
Spicy?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I'm not sure if there is enough light, but just look at this. How the clouds comes. And that's exactly Rinjani, that's where will be sunrise. Crazy. It's crazy place. Abank. Starting our descent. So finally we can see where we were, how the forest looks like. It's so slippery. How's your new stocks?
Good.
Good?
Longer to go down.
Yeah, just to make you understand, it's really steep here and slippery. Have to be really, really careful here. But there are like a small portions of the trail which are like this. The rest is really enjoyable. Is that one yours? No? Yeah, that's all parasites actually. They grow everywhere. Where is some humidity on the surface. Incredible place, right? Crazy.
Like this.
Yeah, only. If you're looking for some scenic trail, I definitely recommend this one. It's like, I don't know, it's not too difficult. It's not East Peak of Abank, definitely no. It's not too easy. When there are clouds coming, then it looks super cool. Yeah. Most probably you didn't expect it will be like that, right? I didn't expect. I love this place. Look at that, like rocks down there, like bumps. My jaw start become painful just because I cannot stop smiling all the time. Looking around and just simply smiling like an idiot. Yeah, that's what we came for. It's also like a kind of, looks like a volcano, right? Really old one. Many people usually complaining that all the hike is in the forest and they don't see anything around. I think this is absolute exception from anything. This is wide open. Only the upper part is like a kind of covered in the trees. One wrong step and you flying down there. Or rolling, actually. Yeah. Bukit Trunjan. I believe it's N, right? pretty comfortable. Buggy. Thank you very much for hiking together with me. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.